Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 13/3/2023 and the time is 9:15. No more words to talk because it's a complete surrender to market. It's a complete surrender. Okay. So whatever we predicted today, that is what we mentioned yesterday, that was the ditto which happened today. That was a ditto. Okay. And from the beginning of the March month, I was telling that 22nd high and low will be the key for the entire March month. Above that, it is bullish. Below that, it is bearish. Okay. And yesterday, I clearly mentioned why today is the time cycle day. Why today is the time cycle day based on what happened in the past. And clearly mentioned first 15 minutes high and low will do the magic. And today, I was expecting a big candle. And this also we predicted last week itself that 13th March, we will see a big candle. All right. And everything worked like real mad. Let's go and see all that. Okay. So this was the first timing candle given. I don't know how to say that. It was a goosebumps only. Worked like real mad. Real mad. Okay. And we gave this timing before the market opens. Number one. Number two, even 907 number, the buy got initiated, stop loss triggered, 33 points loss. Then once the sell got initiated, it was a free fall and achieved all the targets. It went below this also. And it went to 17,161, which was my very crucial number. So it went achieved all the targets. Okay. But I'm not considering about this, but I am considering about this number. This number, 17,529. What is this number? This number is nothing but 22nd February low. And in the beginning of the PPT, from the March month, I was writing one line that 22nd February high and low will be the key for the entire March month. If you go and open my PPT or if you go and open my videos, that was the first liner. 22nd high and low will be the key for the entire March month. And today was a time cycle day. The exact high, after we mentioned at 923, the exact high at 930 was 17,529, which was nothing but the low of 22nd February. Okay, when the time cycle matches with the previous mega time cycle, you will see this kind of a fall or a rise. And today, once it broke the 15 minutes low, it was a clear fall. Clear fall. In between, I was a little skeptical that, whether I will get 250 points in Nifty and 1,000 points in Bank Nifty, because that was my aim today. And Bank Nifty was doing dilly-dally, and we started praying all that, and exactly Bank Nifty came and gave that 1,000 points. Exactly ditto. And Nifty did that 250 before itself, but I was praying for 1,000 points in Bank Nifty today, and it was done beautifully. And so it is nothing but the complete Pranam to market. So Nifty did 250 points and Bank Nifty 1,000 points today. And we requested to Nifty around 12:30 itself. See, when you start respecting the market, if you start asking the universe, it will give you. And that is what we understood from the market. And that is why again and again we are saying Pranam to market, because it is the one which is doing everything to us. So you need to completely surrender yourself to market. If that happens, believe me, Nifty will talk to you. And how I predicted that, today, you will get a miracle big candle. Simple, because it has happened in the past. See, whenever I write my PPT, my first liner, the first page is the date which you need to consider for the entire March month. The date which you need to consider, for example, for March, the date which you need to consider in the month of February. So the month of February, the date is 21st February and 22nd February. I marked here 21st February high and 22nd February low. And that was today's high. That was today's high because that was a combination date. So that high and low is a crucial thing for the market. And that is what I am writing here also in my first page. 22nd February TCD will act as a resistance. And this I am writing from the March beginning. I'm not writing today. This liner is with you from the March beginning. And that was the exact high today, 17,529. And from there, it was a miracle, fall. And based on fortune signals, 1 minute time frame has captured the entire 1,000 points in Bank Nifty and around 280 points or 270 points in Nifty. And we covered half of our Bank Nifty short portion at 39,632, and we are holding the remaining. Okay, so as predicted, Nifty made the top on 8th March and bottom possible is only on 9th April. Bottom possible only on 9th April unless it is not closing above 8th high. Unless it is not closing above 8th high, the bottom will be on 9th April. Okay, and big candle on 13th March. See, this is already there in front of you. In the sense, it is the market is already done a mega candle in the past, and I am writing only that here. You can also do it. You can also do it. You need to observe the market and use little bit of common sense to understand when this big candle will happen. And if you go back and the people I have already taught to these people why today as a big candle, if you go back and watch that video, you will know why it has to give big candle today. And that is why I am mentioning this big candle on 13th March. We are not mentioning today. We mentioned 5 days before. Last week itself, we said 13th will be a big candle. And if you see from 27th January, today was the biggest candle from 27th January. And today was the biggest candle. So everything is available in the market. You need to open your eyes and see that thing. So that is why again and again I say, history repeats itself. History repeats itself. And this is actually happened in the past. And I'm writing here. I'm not writing anything outside the sun. I'm writing everything what is under the sun. You can also do it. If you start observing the market without any indicator, okay, then you can also understand this. You can also understand this. Okay, so 13th cyclic date, you know very well, and it is literally raw. I was expecting 250 points in Nifty and 750 points in Bank Nifty. That is done. And again, mark today's high and low for another 250 points in Nifty, 750 points in Bank Nifty. Okay, whenever it breaks today's high, 250 points on the upside, 750 points on the downside. Whenever it closes below today's low, again I'm writing closes below today's low, 250 points on the downside in Nifty, 750 points downside on the Bank Nifty. And we have clearly mentioned why we need to target silver yesterday, and we explained also in our webinar. And today silver was up by roughly around 6%. Actually, the date is happening on 22nd March. Kindly watch that date and mark Adani's high and low today. This is the trend change date today. So mark the Adani high and low. Whichever side it breaks, kindly take a call and use your own system to exit that. In case if you are in profit, use your own system to exit the market. Okay. So this is the timings for tomorrow. This is the timings for tomorrow. And all the numbers are bearish. All the numbers are bearish. So it broke below this and it came and touched 17161. And this was the miracle number which I am watching out for tomorrow, which is 16,937. See, watch this. I am writing only 3 points difference. 3 points difference. First one, 16,940 to 16,937. I am not writing 50 points, 60 points support. This is no. I am writing only 3 points. Believe me, that's a miracle number. And based on Ichimoku, this is the number. 16,893 is what I am looking at tomorrow or whenever. But it has to hold this number for this week. It should not close below this number for this week. It should hold this number for this week. Then only bulls can survive. Otherwise, the bleeding will be more and more and more. So bulls has to pray that it has to hold 16,893 till Friday, this weekly closing. Okay. So this is the this week is a very crucial week for Nifty as well as especially Nifty. So kindly mark the high and low once the week is finished. Okay. And exact high, I clearly mentioned this was the number 17,526. Above that, you buy. What is the high today? 17,529. So there was no buy at all. And if you go to Bank Nifty, I said buy above 40,679. This was the exact high today. 40,679 is the exact high today. It has not went anything above that. And after that, once it broke everything, from 40,679, all these numbers are achieved. So 39,663. So now any close below 39,663 will be devastation according to me. So the next number which I am watching out for this is 39,304, 39,204 and 39,121. Let's see, we have another 4 more days to go in the market. So let's see whether this other 3 targets are going to achieve from here. So the simple thing is mark today's high and low, but anyway, the candle will be big. You cannot do anything. So unless it is not breaking today's high or it is not breaking today's low and it is trading only within this today's high and today's low, simply keep quiet. It is only for the option writers. It is only for the option writers because today is the topmost cyclic day. I only know why it is topmost. Okay, because the high happened on 15th September 2022, which was the lifetime date for Bank Nifty. Lifetime date. It is not happened because of last year. No, it is happened in the past, 10, 15 years back. And that is why that date is very crucial. And based on that only, we got this date. Maybe it may be confusing to you, but this is how it works. Okay, so mark today's high and low. If it trades within today's high and low, it is only for the option traders. Okay, it is only for the option traders. Okay, so and coming to trend change date. Oh, sorry, I have not updated this. So I will update and send it to you. I'll update and send it to you. Okay, and today 2 counters had the trend change rate, which is Zydus and DLF, and tomorrow Hindustan Lever. Must watch this counter. Must watch this counter. About 2585, it is bullish. Sorry, about 2485, it is bullish. About 2501, it will bust. About 2501, because 2501 was the trend change date high. So about 2501, it will bust. And as I already told you in the month beginning itself, Hindustan Lever is having continuous trend change date this month. The miracle has to happen this month or next month. So this is the counter which you need to watch out in the coming days. So now let's go and see the little graph. Okay, so now let's go to graph. Okay, so let's go to fortune signals. So this is 1 minute fortune signals in Nifty. So the sell came and it went and touched here. Absolutely, there is no buy till the end. I'm showing this in 1 minute time. So entire 250 points was captured. And again, when it comes to Bank Nifty, entire 1000 points from the morning, because only you need to buy only about 15 minutes high. The 15 minutes high is not taken out. And once it gave a sell, it got genuine, went and touched the blue at 40,566. And from there, 1000 points done in 1 minute without any green candle. So there is no emotions here. Keep quiet till you get a green candle. That is what you need to do. That is what you need to do. At 3:15, close your position, get out. Very simple. Very simple. And if you go to Nifty, and this was the 22nd high and low, I clearly marked, and it was not able to cross above this 22nd high for last 3 days. And we are writing this date from the March beginning. From the March beginning. And none of the candle closed above 22nd high. And today it exactly went and touched 17,529, which was the low of 22nd February. It went there, touched, boom, on the downside. And again, if you go to Bank Nifty, same thing. This was the 22nd high and low. This was the 22nd high and low. Bank Nifty is little bit okay. But anyway, the problem started on 8th itself. That is what we mentioned very clearly. 8th was a crucial day for Nifty and Bank Nifty. And we predicted this top also much before. And this can be done by you also. Everyone can do this. Everyone can do this. If you start seeing the market as a real God, then everything is possible. Everything is possible. If you put 10,000 indicator in this, and if you want to see all that, you will not enjoy the God. You will not enjoy the God. Right? Chalo, good day for us today. Let's see how the market is going to plan out from here. And silver is doing extremely well. Let's watch. So Hindustan Lever must be in your radar for tomorrow. Okay. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor. So kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. See, that is why I said, yesterday itself that, today morning, there was a news that, HSBC is buying, US want to support that SVG Bank and all that. I clearly said, don't watch the market. Don't watch the CNBC, ET Now, or Twitter. People write some rubbish and people talk something nonsense in the TV. In case if you would have seen that, they would have said that, the US market is going to come alive and all that, then you will be missing this phenomenal opportunity on the downside. Phenomenal opportunity. In case if you trusted your system also would have given you 1,000 points in Bank Nifty without any emotions. Without any emotions. But if you watched TV or read newspaper or went and saw the Twitter people handle, because they are changing every night. They are only dancing based on what Dow Jones and Singapore Nifty is doing. So don't look at all that. Stay with your system, because that is what is going to help you out, and that knows much better than anybody else in the world. That is what I told yesterday also. Simple thing, 15 minutes high and low. Let the world talk anything about it. SVG is taken over by that bank. Somebody is funding. Elon Musk is taking whatever. Let them talk. So don't watch anything. Give attention to your own system. Give attention to your own system. Love the market. Market will teach you everything. Okay. Again, tomorrow, again, I'm saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor. So kindly go and do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. Again, tomorrow we will see with the magical number of Nifty at 907. And today I've already given the weekly numbers for the coming week, the week which is already started, and both Bank Nifty and Nifty close to below that low. So that number, the bearish number as well as the bullish number, which I already gave you in the morning, will act as a resistance. So we will not go long. We may cover our position. We will not go long in the market unless and until our fortune signals gives 15 minutes genuine buy in this market. We will not go long. We will cover our position, but we will not go long in this market as of now. Okay. Thanks a lot. See you soon. Until then, goodbye.